In this clip, we will be learning how to edit regions using some of the enhanced functions of this version of the application. We will be going through 3 different steps. The first is using the improved resegment command. The second is merging and splitting regions, and the third is an introduction into the geometry classification tolerance tool. First, click the Region Group Mode button, which will automatically start the Auto Segment command. The Auto Segment command has been updated to now allow the estimation of mesh roughness. Click the Estimate button next to the mesh roughness and the application will automatically calculate the ideal setting. Sometimes, these segmented regions will need to be manually separated or merged, and the region editing tools in this version of the application have been changed to be easier and faster to use. Here, we use the Resegment tool, which is new for this version. It redefines classification criteria on existing regions to merge and create a new geometry type. This can be helpful for large objects that have smaller areas of irregular features that can be hard to segment. In this example, multiple freeform shapes are reclassified as a torus quickly and automatically. These 5 planar regions will be merged together using the updated Merge tool. The old Append tool has been integrated into it. The Split command has also been updated. Splitting can still be performed across multiple regions as in previous versions, but this version of the application also allows splitting to be limited to single regions for tighter control when splitting. First, regions are split using the Paintbrush command. As you can see, multiple regions are split at the same time. Next, the Limit to Region button is clicked and the spherical area is selected. Only that spherical region will be split. In addition to the Paintbrush splitting method, polylines can now be used to split regions. Using polylines to split regions can help improve accuracy in hard-to-split areas. To use the default selection mode, click and drag, and to use a polyline in whatever mode you are in, simply just click and release on the starting point, and click and release on the end point. The color of the polyline displays whether or not it can split a region. Orange indicates it cannot, and purple indicates that it can. The Limit to Region split mode can also be used when splitting with polylines. In some models, it can be difficult to classify geometries using the default tolerance because of the size of the model or its resolution. The Geometry Classification Tolerance option can reclassify areas if the default tolerance produces unsatisfactory results. Many of the regions in this command have registered as freeform shapes after using the Auto Segment command. To automatically reclassify region geometry, the Geometry Classification option is changed from the long-range setting to Auto. This reclassifies the freeform shape as cylinders and planes.